Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex PureSpa 6-person hot tub spa with 170 bubble jets, pump, and maintenance kit. With the touch of a button, activate the 170 soothing bubble jets that surround the interior of the spa, or adjust the temperature that best suits your comfort level. Tilt your head back and let it relax on the inflated headrests. Keep your PureSpa clean and long-lasting for years to come with the Type S 1-pool filter cartridges and Intex Spa maintenance kit. This maintenance kit works well for all spas and includes a curved brush, durable mesh skimmer for leaves and other debris, and scrubber pad to help remove tough dirt and grime from your inflatable PureSpa. Product benefits. Pampering yourself is easy with the soothing high-powered jets that give you the ultimate spa experience. Built-in hard water treatment system makes water gentler on skin, clothes, and the entire spa system. Ready for water in about 20 minutes and can be deflated for easy storage or transport. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.